We have a bit of a garden in front of the house. We have a garden beside the house with in the summer some shadow from the tree. We have a elderberry bush, and we have plenty of blackberry bushes. And of course we have a nice cottage. Let's finish off with a view.